Today on People to People, we're getting some new insight into how a Junior League of Atlanta program is helping kids in foster care. In this week's one-on-one, WSB Community and Public Affairs Director Condace Pressley spoke with a former client and the president and CEO of Chris 180.
I was hired when we had 4 group homes for kids in foster care, and they had just started a program for kids aging out of foster care. So what we've done since then is expanded those programs, and we now have an apartment complex where Richard lives, and we have additional group homes for kids in foster care, but we've also focused on prevention because children should not have to age out of foster care. We should work to invest in their families if possible, and if not, help them be eligible for adoption much younger age rather than spending years in foster care. Our program has focused on wraparound services and providing counseling and a few other things that really help strengthen families and build community, as well as provide healing to children.
Kathy, explain to our audience the significance of needing a program for kids who are aging out of foster care. What kind of challenges do they face?
Oh my gosh, Richard could probably speak to that better than I could, but basically the data is terrible. I mean, kids who age out of foster care, if they don't have supports, are often homeless in 2 years. They can get into a pattern of chronic homeless. They have a hard time finding a job. They often don't have the credentials and the support systems they need to be able to develop the skills they need, the work ethic and the skills to be able to be self-sufficient and employed. It's really hard. I think my dad co-signed my first loan for furniture. When you don't have that kind of support, when you're just starting out on your own, everybody deserves that kind of support. And that's what Chris 180 tries to provide so that young people, when they leave, are able to succeed.
Richard, tell us about your experience with Chris 180. How did you come to the organization? How has it helped you?
I came through DFACS. And, well, before I got here, I was troubled, I guess you could say. I got here, basically, for the first couple months, I probably sat around doing nothing. But over time, they got me into construction. They got me my certification. I moved on from there to getting my first job ever at the age of 18 and being able to stabilize and pay my own rent. And it was just... I guess I had one of the lucky experiences here.
What is next for the organization? As I know, Chris 180 is celebrating 40 years of impact in Atlanta. What sort of things do you need? Where do you see the organization going so that there are more great stories like Richard's?
Well, our work with foster youth and our work with counseling, we provide high quality services regardless of ability to pay. And so charitable dollars really fill in the gap to help us provide the services that are needed, from book bags to a welcome kit. When youth come into our apartments, there's a welcome kit to help give them what they need to get started. The thing I want to stress, though, is the mental health counseling right now. And the assistance that individuals need to be able to succeed, like Richard, is really important. And that is something that people can donate, they can advocate, and they can volunteer to help us, because there's myriad programs and myriads of ways that people can help.
Gosh, what an incredible program. Chris 180 provides so many important services, especially now during the pandemic. For even more information on the program and how you can help, we have a link at our website, WSBTV.com/community.